What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget, back again with another video. And today we have something special. Today we have Miss Orlando Underground here with us.
Hey.
And we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Suki's Honda S2000 from Jada. We've been waiting a little while to do this one. She wanted to wait till a special occasion. We just moved to a new house and we have she wants this to be a part of her desk, so we're gonna unbox it so she has something nice for her desk. But let's go ahead and get into it.
Yeah, can I see the knife?
Here's the knife.
Okay, hold on.
There's only one piece, I think, on this side, or I'm not sure how many.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the Honda S2000 from the first movie, where the main street race from the beginning, where like Paul Walker meets Dom and everybody, and he does the race with the turbo eclipse that he made, and he has the sign come up, danger to manifold and all that. But no, it's pretty cool. Like I like it. It's probably one of my favorite cars from the series for sure, and it's really hard to find in person.
Yeah, it was kind of hard to find this in person. Definitely wasn't easy. Yeah, it has these things at the bottom, like. Yeah, it has these pins or something.
It's okay. Let's see. Be careful. Is it held in with the screw?
Oh yeah, it does have a screw.
Okay. Let's get the screwdriver. And
wow, they screwed it in there? That's crazy. But yeah, it's really hard to find this in person. I saw them online for like almost $20 at Target. It's really nice though.
Yeah, I think I need a bigger screwdriver maybe.
Oh.
I might need a bigger one. This one's for the Hot Wheels and stuff. For here, I think I have a bigger one here.
Oh, you have it with you? Okay.
Yeah, I got my multi-tool.
There we go. It's working. I think it's working. It looks like it. Yes, it's working. Okay, cool. I don't think we'll need the knife now. Now we should be okay. Okay.
The knife's not gonna cut through that screw.
No, I thought it was just a little bit of tape, because I looked up an unboxing online just in case, because I haven't unboxed like one of these like this size. So like I knew like there might be a little bit of extra in the packaging, but wow. It's really nice.
Oh, it's got tape on the door.
It has tape on the door?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And it's got the DVD player from the movie. Like, I don't know if you can hold it to where they can see it on the dash. Like, on the dash, it has the DVD player. Like, I know we were talking about it earlier, but people got tablets that come in their car, like, for their infotainment. Back in the day, if you had a DVD player in your car, like, you were the man. Like, pop the doors open, see what it looks like.
Okay. Oh, I see the tape. Okay.
Yeah, the door's open. It's pretty cool. I don't think the hood opens on this one. I think the doors are the only thing that open, but that's really cool. It'd be really cool for pictures. Like, does it say something on the license plate?
Too Fast, Too Furious.
No, that's pretty cool.
Toyo
the
tires.
wing's really nice.
Yeah, Toyo tires are cool as fuck.
And it says Roha, what? Motors? What does it say?
Modiji? Modiji.
Modiji, yeah, I don't know. It says Roha something.
Yeah.
And show the bottom. Like, what's the bottom look like? Oh, nice. They got the little exhaust, the dual exhaust. It's pretty cool. They made it chrome. That's a nice detail. No, it looks like part of almost true to the movie. It's pretty cool. Like, no, it's definitely a really cool addition to the collection. Like, we have some other models that are different scale from Jada. Like, we have Han's RX-7 Veilside. It's a little dusty right now, but his Veilside RX-7, it's a little bit bigger. I forget what scale it is.
Here, show it.
Like, what's
you
the
can
scale?
show it in comparison.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is Han's RX-7. Like, it's a little dirty right now.
I think a 116. Because this is 32, right?
I'm not sure.
This
But I painted the seats and added some extra details on the inside. But the hood opens on this one. Like, it's all chromed out. I might paint it to make it a little more realistic, because I've only seen a couple engines in real life that are chromed out like that on purpose. But like, the trunk opens on this one. It's got the full Veilside kit on it, which is really hype. I'm really stoked on it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, you guys. Thanks for stopping by for this unboxing. Like, Miss Underground was really excited about this one. Like, and we're really happy to have this added to the collection. If you guys don't know and you're new to the channel, check out our other content. We do a lot of car meets and a lot of how-tos, but we also do collectibles. And we're gonna be starting some vlog stuff on car modifications. We have some project cars that we're working on. We have a 240 and a 350 that we're putting together. They're in pieces right now, but like, stay tuned for all the progress and stuff. And if you like skateboarding, we do a little bit of that too, so a little bit of everything. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more collectibles, check us out. But until next time, stay safe. Later.